Check out this Moroccan Red Pearl 08 Acura RDX utility vehicle all-wheel drive, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 22 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, front wipers, speed-sensitive, transmission hill holder, windows, rear wiper, intermittent, satellite communications, windows, privacy glass, suspension, front arm type, lower control arms, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, real-time traffic, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, power windows, windows, front wipers, intermittent, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 08 Acura RDX. See us at Woodfield Acura today.